Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 29.03% since we first identified Nebius Group N.v as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.71% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a very broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 52.7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 31.41% and 80.86%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of nearly 98.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 1.21% to 129.55% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price that falls between $66.98 and $151.92. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline: Nebius Group N.v stock price ended at $66.18 on Thursday after losing 1.91%. The Nebius Group N.v stock price fell by 1.91% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, from $67.47 to $66.18. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.29%, ranging from a day low at $65.45 to a day high of $68.26. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $527,570,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $75.96, while the lowest price was $14.09. Currently, the price is 12.88%, or $9.78, below the 52-week high of $75.96, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. Nebius has reported impressive second-quarter results and has raised its guidance, leading to another surge in share momentum. Revenue surged by approximately 625% compared to the previous year. Margins have expanded, and the year-end annual recurring revenue guidance has been adjusted to range between $900 million and $1.1 billion. With commentary suggesting a target closer to $1.1 billion as capacity increases. The company's cash reserves are reported to be in the multi-billion range, and they expect about 220 megawatts of capacity to be contracted by the end of the year, with approximately 100 megawatts already active. This capacity is anchored by a 200-megawatt site in New Jersey and 50 megawatts in Finland, with an ambitious target of 1 gigawatt by the year 2026. Management also reiterated their positive expectations for group-level adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization by 2026, highlighting a vertically integrated artificial intelligence stack that could create significant switching costs. In the short term, The earnings beat and raised annual recurring revenue outlook should maintain buying pressure and encourage analyst upgrades, supporting the stock's recent rally and testing near-term resistance levels. However, there are risks of volatility and profit-taking due to elevated valuation multiples. In the long run, achieving capacity and annual recurring revenue targets while transitioning to sustained profitability could warrant a substantially higher valuation. Nonetheless, execution challenges, competition from major players, the capital-intensive nature of the business, and timing risks mean that the potential for upward movement relies heavily on successful delivery over the next 12 to 36 months. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NBIS a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Nebius Group N.v. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also provided a neutral rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $69.16. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $57. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the short-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 12.15%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. Nebius Group N.v. finds support from accumulated volume at $65.31. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.81 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.29%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November in the year 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a negative 420 thousandths of a dollar. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $68.78. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v encounters its first support level at $65.31. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $62.43, indicating a decrease of 5.66%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. There is currently a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Nebius Group N.v stock to perform well in the near future. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate that Nebius Group N.v will open higher by 450 cents and begin trading at $66.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.